Hi guys, are you a marketer and looking forward to create an helpful and viral content? If yes, then this video is just for you. You might have heard about UGC, user generated content. Creation of this form of content is free, but the amount of time and energy investment that goes is tremendous. Of course, with product, service, and whatever you are providing with. Welcome to Spread channel where we talk about marketing, branding and collaboration. This is Pooja here. I'm a co-founder of Spread, an ad tech platform. You can know more about Spread by visiting our website. But in this video today, we are going to talk about what is UGC, benefits of user-generated content and how content creators and influencers can promote UGC in different ways. Let's check out. So what is UGC? User generated content is basically a content created by users for their favorite brands or influencers. If you talk about a different format of this content, it can be anything, like literally anything. Image, video, a simple Google or a Glassdoor review, some recommendations which is posted online. Brands can reuse this content posted by their users and repost on their social media channels. So this is how the UGC works. A very basic example which you might have experienced in your life, even if you don't know UGC, that if you are going up to a restaurant and giving a review about food or your overall experience with the particular place, you have created content for them as a part of Google review, which they can use for different marketing activities or promoting your review on the social media. This is called user generated content. Another example, if I can give you, a very old and amazing bike manufacturing company, you guessed it right, Royal Enfield, and who doesn't love Apple products? These two companies majorly focus on their campaigns and marketing activities based on UGC. If you remember, any sort of image or a sample of execution that majority of the people have used the product and tagged the company, you must have seen the bikes picture with the different trips or videos where users have created the content with Royal Enfield. Remember the Leh Ladakh drives of people that they do, right? Apple, where people shot the video and using a hashtag short with Apple. This is another example where they are using creating a content for a brand which they can later on market on their own ways. A very recent example I can give is Zomato. They celebrated their 10th year anniversary with no cooking July celebration where they give flat 60% off. People created their own customers without any request, created tons of memes by promoting this offer, and then brand use this content as a part of all different social media channels in a funny way, that how their happy customers are thinking about this offer. This is the best example of UGC. So far we know that what is UGC. Now let's discuss the benefits of it. So let's talk about benefits of UGC. It adds authenticity. Who doesn't love stories? And user generated content is more likely to engage and move people's emotion. Even according to a Hotsuite, people are 2.4 times likely to engage more with UGC based content rather than content created by brands. So basically it creates more engagement, more authenticity and credibility for your brand. Another benefit is build more trust in the community. People will recommend if they like your product or services, and when they share it in their stories, their friends will see it. So basically you are creating your brand awareness within the customer area where people are recommending products or services to their loved ones. This is the authentic way where you are building a trust, and who doesn't like to use a product or service which is referred by their known people. So it is creating a whole community just by a user. Third benefit is it keep your customers happy. If anybody is giving your feedback and you are considering it and making a note of it, who won't love it? This way it will make them happy that you have acknowledged their feedback, and they will feel more personal with your brand, which is an amazing thing to experience. Fourth benefit is generation of positive leads. The end goal of all the business or influencing power is to generate the leads, right? If you are promoting the UGC, it is coming to your audience eyes. The consumers are likely to see the stories, see the content, and it will make one strong move to purchase or experience the product or services, whatever that you are trying to promote or create. UGC will help you big there. Fifth benefit I can talk about is improves user experience. UGC is not always about all the good things or the positive things. Let's say if you have some negative reviews or a feedback from your customers and they are posting somewhere or they are reaching out to you with their concerns, take a note of it. Improve their experience, be it a shipping or your website smoothness or whatever it is. If you are acknowledging it, if you are taking a note of it and changing the way they felt bad about it, it's also great for your business. So it will help to build more trust within your brand, and they will feel more important that you heard them. One last thing is brand awareness. The end goal of any brand will be reaching out to more people for more sales, and reaching out means increasing the brand awareness. It's basically a free PR, I would say, where you have to work for it, but people are likely to promote your brand on their own, by their own choice, if you have a good product or service as a part of whatever business you are doing, and give them good experience. People will promote by themselves, not to worry. We have talked enough about the benefits of UGC. What is UGC? Now the very important, and I'm sure that you must have a question, that how you can make that happen. So there are many different ways that you can promote UGC being an influencer or a brand. Let's check out. Number one way, run a campaign. Thought about making a story, create creative hashtags, a meaningful and aligned with your brand and campaign. Run as a brand and ask your followers, ask your customers to use this hashtag whenever they are using your product or services. Even you can create a cause, you can support any a good thing or any good cause which you can think of, and request your customers to do the same, slide into their stories and tag you whenever it's needed. This is one of the greatest way by running a campaign and connecting with your audience, and you are already doing a cause with it. Second way is request a product review. Definitely it's gaining more and more importance nowadays for a review. Even if you visit a restaurant or purchase a product from any e-commerce, you must be checking the reviews, right? Ask your customers to give a review of the product or service that they are experiencing. Ask for an image or a video, whatever is convenient to you, if they are fine with it. Even if they are unboxing any product or sharing it with you, that how did they like the product or the execution, it's a part of UGC which is really authentic. So this way you can ask your customers if they are willing to do for a product review or experience or whatever, they can share it with you. Third and amazing way is fun contest. You can ask your customers to use your hashtag, tag you, in return of some percentage of discount that you can provide. This is insane, I know. It's called a barter deal, but it works tremendously. Many of you have heard of that. If you can tag a brand and snap a code, and you will get 20% off on your next order or the current purchase, and there are lots of offers that goes around, and it works amazingly. You can ask your customers to follow certain things, and in return give them benefits. Who doesn't love discounts? And this will work definitely. So this is one amazing way, which it's a win-win situation for everyone. Another way of creating a UGC is social media mentions. Wherever your customers are trying to tag you, they are DMing you for their queries or concern, respond them. Respond them when they are appreciating you. Even you can repost this on your social media, but give attention to all the mentions and tag that you are having from your customers. The last way I would recommend to ask you to do is UGC created by employees. Yes, it's not only about customers, but the team that is working for you. Your employees can be also a part of this concept. If they are sharing any experience of your brand on social media, if they are talking about your brand, you are interacting in a different way and promoting that authentic content, it's also a UGC, and it will create a great level of internal bonding with a team. It will give your cultural idea to your customers, and how kind of a behind the scene goes when it comes to brand and team bonding. That will show another level of credibility. So this was all about user generated content, how you can build different strategies, how it can benefit you on your social media channels and increase your profile growth, credibility and authenticity. I hope this video was helpful to you. Comment below and share with me that which UGC strategy and method you applied for your brand or as an influencer, and how did it work for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, take care.